Regular Skepchick readers know that you can't really always trust science news because often things get lost in translation between the actual research that happens and what journalists report. I have a recent example that may amuse and/or horrify you in that regard. The Sunday Times recently reported that blonde women are born to be warrior princesses. This, of course, contradicts earlier research suggesting that warrior princesses are more likely to be brunette lesbians. The article quoted a researcher at University of California who said that blonde women have more sense of entitlement and are therefore quicker to anger and more likely to be warlike. Now, Ryan Sager over at TrueSlant was interested in learning more about this study, so he decided to contact the original researcher, who, much to his surprise, but probably not to your surprise, responded to say that he had done no such research. In fact, Aaron Sell, the researcher at University of California, published back in August 2009 a study that showed that women who felt that they were more attractive had a higher sense of entitlement and were therefore more likely to be warlike, and also that men who were stronger tended to have that same sense of entitlement and to be more warlike. The reporter from the Sunday Times contacted him and specifically asked him about blonde women, and so he went back and he looked at his data and he broke it down by hair color, and what he found was that blonde women do not feel more entitled, blonde women are not more prone to anger, they do not feel more attractive than other women, and they're not more militaristic. The journalist then promptly ignored all of that and reported the opposite. It gets worse, though, because the story then quickly spread around the internet. Yesterday, BBC reported that blonde women were in fact warrior princesses, and when this was pointed out to them that it was in fact complete bunk, they changed the article, the original article. So if you follow the same link that previously said something about blondes, you'll now find an article that says, "Pretty women anger more easily." This was apparently an effort to be more accurate to the original study. They talk all about women and all about how pretty women are, quicker to anger and more militaristic and more entitled. In fact, there's only a single line in the entire article that even gives a clue that men were involved. They say, in men, they found a similar link, but with physical strength rather than attractiveness. Come on, this is not fair. It's still not an accurate reporting of this study. It's just an attempt to make women, particularly pretty women, look like stupid bitches. Thanks a lot, BBC. Good job. Look at me. Now I'm angry. They made me angry. Or am I just entitled to better news?